Hey everyone, it's Joe here from buildassetsonline.com, and today I'm going to try out a new series where I look at some common dropshipping questions, e-commerce questions from around the web, whether it be on Quora, Google, Reddit, stuff like that. And I'm going to read the question, read some responses to it, and then give my opinion as someone who, along with my brother, runs several seven-figure high-ticket dropshipping stores. So for now, it's going to be focused on dropshipping. We'll probably move on to other stuff as we get into the series. So, is it possible to become a multimillionaire dropshipping? Now, well, let's read some of the people's responses, and then I'll give my perspective. So, Damian DeFranco says, dropshipping is just like any other business in terms of ability to get rich. There is no such thing as get rich fast company. It really also depends on what you consider to be rich. Could you do 100,000 sales a month doing dropshipping? Yes. Could you do 250,000 sales a month doing dropshipping? Yes. Could you do 2-3 million sales a month doing dropshipping? Yes. Does it mean you will too? No. So I'm not going to read the rest of this guy's response. Even though his English is obviously not so great, I think he has the best idea. He has the right idea is what I'm saying. He's saying that dropshipping is much like any other business model. And as a matter of fact, dropshipping, I wouldn't even to be really consider a business model. It's simply a method of fulfillment. But what he's saying is that it's just like any other business. If you can make $1 doing it, you can make $100 doing it. If you can make $100 doing it, you can make 1,000. If you can make 1,000, you can make 1,000,000, and so on and so on. Because it just depends on, like, at that point, once you make $1, it just depends on scale and whether it's efficient to scale it. And when it comes to dropshipping, I would say the answer is yes. There are people who have become billionaires through dropshipping. Hint, hint, Wayfair.com. Just read a little bit about the history of that company. Let me take a little bit of sip of coffee here. And you'll see that, the owners started dropshipping and then grew it into a billion-dollar company. So there you go. Being an entrepreneur is going to be one of the hardest things you'll do in life. If you need fast money, will make more money earning short-term working at McDonald's. See, I don't agree with that statement. I think, first of all, I hate that word entrepreneur because I don't even really consider myself one. When I think of that word, I see someone on Shark Tank who's got like a radical new idea, who's going to like change the world or whatever. I see the way that my brother and I do business as kind of like an investor, like a business person / investor. I think that's, if you're focused on, making money and having financial freedom and becoming wealthy, I think entrepreneur is the wrong word. I think trying to become an investor is the right word. And he says something about entrepreneurs becoming a huge trend, very popular, and so is dropshipping. And there are fake gurus overhyping it. That is very true, especially if they're talking about dropshipping low-ticket items from AliExpress. So you got to find a unique way of doing it above and beyond your competitors. I guess that's true. High-ticket dropshipping isn't really a unique way of doing it. What we teach, I don't want to say it's unique because, like we mentioned several times, all of the big e-commerce brands do it. Amazon does it. Home Depot does it. Wayfair does it. So unique is the wrong word, but I guess you need to have an angle for how you're going to come in, which, yeah. So this guy says you can follow him here. Cool. Overall, I liked his answer. Yeah, sure. I give you some advice. So I think it's kind of funny. I don't know exactly what goes on here on Quora. Obviously, people are trying to rank these answers in Google, and I think a lot of the responses might be not like fake, like some people are promoting their businesses, which I think this is. Yeah, sure. I give you some advice. First, dropshipping is a way of supply chain management. Retailers do not need goods inventory, but the customer orders and shipping details to the wholesalers, suppliers, will be directly sent to the final customer goods, while retailers earn the difference between wholesale and retail prices. Yeah, I get that's one way of explaining it, I guess. Second, the more popular is the AliExpress dropshipping. You can use Oberlo, Shopmaster, such software to help you. So this person is telling you, yes, you can become a millionaire but just make sure to use my Shopmaster software, which will help you dropship from 1688 and AliExpress, which is the opposite of what we recommend doing. Apparently, this can support Amazon, Wish, and eBay. But again, this is a horrible, horrible way to make $1 million dropshipping. Go back to the Wayfair example that I just gave you. Did they spend their time figuring out how to ship cheap products from China with an app on Shopify? No, they did not. They just built legitimate e-commerce stores, drove traffic to them, and built up a customer base. The basics of online marketing, guys. Put up a website, get people to the website, convert those people into buyers. And then make even more money on the back end through email and stuff like that. So yeah, the people who do and who will make $1 million dropshipping will stick to those basic principles, and they won't do stuff like this. So this is kind of a funny question. I truly believe that. I don't want to sound like crass or anything. I mean, it is my goal that Mike and I become multimillionaires through dropshipping, especially when we cash out on some of the stores that we have going now. But I mean, that's the goal that we're planning and putting out into the universe, and I think we will get there. But yes, I think it is definitely possible to become a multimillionaire dropshipping, especially if you create a online store of value and then cash out on it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, a quick video. We're going to be mixing up with the short form and the long form stuff. But I think this is a fun way to kind of learn, show you guys some stuff about what we do, and talk about dropshipping specifically in a fun way, and get a chance to see what others are saying about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you're on YouTube, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And be sure to check out the free course, the Online Asset Playbook, in the description, or just go to buildassetsonline.com/playbook, and we kind of show you how we structure our online portfolio and use dropshipping as the fuel to the fire, if you will. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.